How to turn the screen rotation on and off on the iPhone 13. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 13. I'll be showing you guys how to turn the screen rotation on and off, how to lock it, unlock it on the iPhone 13 and the 13 series. And so for those of you that are not quite sure what I'm talking about, I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate real quick. I'm going to go in here into Safari, open up a web page. It's the How to Smartphone, just Googled it. And as you guys can see, I rotate my phone sideways. I am able to now view the web page in a horizontal position. If I rotate my phone back up, and I do give it a little more of a up and down positioning of the phone just to get it to rotate. You know, if I go to the horizontal slight angle on the phone, it's not perfectly straight up or straight flat, because if it's flat and you rotate it, it doesn't necessarily work. Make sure it's slightly angled. You have to bring it up a little bit in order to get it to rotate. But if you are wanting to lock it, say you want to lock it on a specific page, what you want to do is swipe from the top right. I start from the red or the colored portion of the metallic portion of your phone. Swipe down. This shortcut screen pops up. Once you're here, we're looking for this circle with a lock on it. Go ahead, select that. And here it says portrait orientation lock is on. So let's say we are in our photos and you're looking at a photo that you want to I only have the one photo, but let's say you're looking at a photo and you want to look at it sideways. Maybe it's like a screenshot of something and you want to look at it sideways. You can lock your phone like this in the horizontal position. Maybe it's a map, navigation, something like that, and you want to lock it in one position. That's how to do it. But let's say you're on the web and your device is locked and you want to go into the horizontal position. Same way, top right hand corner, we're just going to go ahead from the top right hand corner, swipe down, and this should be in red like this. Go ahead and deselect that, portrait orientation lock off. And once the lock is off, go back to your web page. And as you guys can see, it once again rotates. And I'm just going to go back into the photos, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate with this photo I have here that turn it sideways and it does rotate again. So that is my quick tutorial video on how to turn the screen rotation on and off on the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 series. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys have any comments, questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.